So hi again. In the last video I went on and created this table users, and in this video I want to show you guys a couple of things about creating tables and stuff. And one of those things is describe table, describe, and then the table names. And basically what that does, it tells you or shows you some information about the table. It's like you're creating unstructured. So let's end this with a semicolon and click go, and here is the information about this table. So this is the first one. The second one is actually dropping a table, and this is really easy. You just type in drop table and the table name, which is users, and click go. Yes, okay. And this is actually will create will drop the table. So this is it for this video.